One step we can take in discovering and developing our purpose is to develop a growth mindset. Constantly evolving and becoming a better version of yourself allows you to further identify your values and goals and stick to those goals throughout time. Having a growth mindset will also help you accept challenges and opportunities that come your way, as well as persevere through the hardest times. Another step we can take to further define our purpose is to create a vision statement. A personal vision statement can help us manage stress and also add balance to our life. It serves as a roadmap to your purpose by identifying what truly matters to you. When crafting your vision statement, make sure to add your values and what is important to you in life, and don't just keep it limited to financial and monetary success. Also put in what your goals are as far as family life and health for yourself as well. Another way we can further strengthen our purpose is to give back. Contribution is a way that we can add meaning to our life and truly make an impact on the world around us. Remember that by helping others, you're also helping yourself. Another step we can take to solidify our purpose is to practice gratitude on a daily basis. Experiments in pro-sociality determined that being in a state of gratitude and altruism added to meaning and fulfillment in one's life. Another study discovered that the parts of the brain that are activated when we're feeling gratitude are also the same that are activated during doing acts of kindness and giving back. Cultivating gratitude can also help us get through the tough times in life, because when your mind is filled with gratitude, it can't be filled with anything else. It can't be filled with negative thoughts if all there is thoughts of gratitude. Another step we can take in fulfilling our purpose is to turn our pain into purpose. We all face difficulties in life. Going through these obstacles are what shape our perspective and build strength that help us further our purpose and accomplishment in life. Many people search for assistance when going through major life changes. Some people later find that it's their calling to help others go through the same struggles that they experience themselves. These people find fulfillment in working with people directly, such as a life coach or social worker. And some people even work indirectly with the arts, like writing, painting, and music. Having a positive impact on others' lives and allowing them to soak in the knowledge that you gained when going through your own challenges can give you true meaning and fulfillment in life. Another step we can take to actively solidify our purpose and fulfill our life meaning is to become part of a community. Because finding a purpose has to do with our connection with others, becoming a part of a group or starting your own group can help you fulfill your purpose in life. When you discover your own purpose, you'll quickly find that there's others out there that share the same passions, interests, and values as you do. Joining or starting a community will help you feel connected with others as you all work towards a similar goal. Another crucial step to solidifying our purpose and meaning in life is to practice self-acceptance. Being self-aware and accepting yourself for who you are, and also accepting your limitations for what they are, will help you be more accepting of yourself during the hard times as you go through challenges. When you accept yourself completely, you're more likely to give your all in any given situation. This can lead to a stronger sense of connection, because the more you're self-aware about yourself, the more you see yourself in others. We all can benefit by taking time to solidify and clarify our purpose in life. Backing this with actions that align with our purpose will help us lead a more fulfilling life.
hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.